Welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a boneless turkey. Let's do it. So I'm going to take it out of the package and wash the turkey first. Juicy turkey. Okay, get it in the sink here. There's this little plastic thing, so take that off. So we have the turkey neck here. So take that out. Take this plastic piece out. All we're going to do is just rinse the turkey onto the cutting board. Just going to take the legs off, legs and wings off. You grab the turkey like by the thighs and then loosen up the bones. Follow along the bone. Now if you want to cut the thighs, you'll see it's kind of this line there. On one side of the line, boom. Okay. Juicy turkey. Cut the wing off. It's kind of like a little joint there. Just kind of go around and there goes the wing. Cut the other wing. And the breast. Now you start this side of the bone and move all the way along. This side. Let's kind of follow along the breastbone. That's the carcass thing, so that's good. A little cartilage in there, just take that out. Now we're going to tie the breast up. I just put a string across, not super tight. Kind of a string in the middle. Tie a few strings on here. Don't want to tie the strings too tight. Toss one more on there. Turkey breast. Toss the turkey into the roasting pan. Wings. So I've decided with the thighs, I'm not gonna do a roast. I'm just gonna debone them. We're gonna season our turkey up, so Italian seasoning all over, garlic powder, onion powder, Montreal Steak spice, poultry seasoning, so rosemary, sage, thyme. Chop a bunch of that stuff up for a turkey. I won't put a little sage because it's quite powerful. Put more thyme. Chop, chop. Don't have to go crazy fine, but a little fine. Now I'm gonna put some butter on everything. Butter. Get a mount on the breasts, rosemary, sage, thyme everywhere. And at that point, you toss into a 325-degree oven for about an hour and a half, and then everything should be all cooked up nice. Turkey. And the last thing I would do for your gravy, dump a whole bunch of chicken stock into your pan. That'll give you a nice gravy. Half a cup or 3/4 of a cup roughly. Hope you enjoyed a different way to do a turkey. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, love you, and do make some turkey this Thanksgiving. And happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Bye.